In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a guest administrator user and then deactivate it in Salesforce. This process is particularly useful for managing temporary access within your organization. We'll walk through each step thoroughly to ensure that you can confidently apply these changes without any hiccups. First things first, once you're logged into Salesforce, you'll want to direct your attention to the gear icon. It's usually found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Users. This is our starting point, as it will bring us to the user management area where all additions and modifications are made to user accounts. Next, you'll need to input the new user's email address. This is crucial as Salesforce will use this email to communicate any pertinent details to the user, and it will also serve as their primary point of contact within Salesforce. Take special care to enter the correct email address to prevent any miscommunications. Once the email is settled, it's time to assign a profile to this new user. Since we're creating a guest administrator, select System Administrator from the profile options. This profile grants sufficient permissions for the user to perform essential admin duties without restrictions that might impede their tasks. Assigning this profile is particularly useful when you need someone to have complete access for a limited time frame. Now that you've set up the user's email and profile, the next step is to click Send Invitation. This sends a direct email invitation to your new guest admin so they can set up their personal login credentials. Inviting the user is a quick way to ensure they activate their account directly and gain access to the resources they need. Once the user has had their time as a guest admin, it's time to deactivate the account. To do this, navigate back to the gear icon and select Users again. Now you're looking to find that temporary admin user we previously created. Use the user list to search for their email or name. It should bring up their account profile. Finally, look towards the right hand side of their user detail page and you'll find the option to deactivate. Clicking this button will deactivate the user account, effectively revoking their access to the organization. This step is crucial in maintaining security and ensuring that only current, essential personnel have access to sensitive information within your Salesforce environment. By following these steps, you're effectively controlling access within your Salesforce org, allowing you to create temporary admin accounts when necessary and deactivate them as operations dictate. This method ensures that your organization remains secure while also allowing flexibility for administrative tasks. Remember, managing access is not only about giving permissions, but also about knowing when to revoke them. Thanks for watching and be sure to follow along with other tutorials for more Salesforce tips and tricks.